Hi, this is your Professor Sudha Kolathuparamil. I am going to explain you some example on finding the probability of an event A and multiplication rule, addition rule, rules of complements, permutation and combination. We need to find the probability of the person is a woman. So first add everything in the first row, add everything in the second row to find the total men and total women. So total men is 95, total women is 101. So the total people is 95 plus 101, that is 196. Now find the probability that the person is a woman. That is total number of women divided by total number of people, that is approximately equal 0.5153. Now find the probability that the person is a woman with bachelor's degree. So this is woman with bachelor's degree. So these two intersect at 19.2. So 19.2 divided by total number of people, that is 196, that is equal 0.0980. Now we need to find the probability that the person has a bachelor degree given that she is a woman. So probability of the person with the bachelor degree given that that person is a woman. So this here we are going to use this probability of B given A, that is probability of A and B divided by probability of A. That means probability of the person who is a woman and that person should have a bachelor degree, right? So probability of woman with bachelor degree divided by probability of woman. So that is 19.2 divided by 196 divided by 101 divided by 196, that is approximately equal 0.1901. In this example, a fair coin is tossed 4 times. What is the probability that the sequence of toss is head, tail, tail, head? So probability of getting a head is 0.5. Probability of getting a tail is also 0.5. So first toss is a head, so 0.5. Second toss is a tail, so 0.5. Third toss a tail, so probability is 0.5. And fourth toss is also, the probability is 0.5 because the toss of coin are independent. Now multiply all these together, you'll get the probability. Second example, 8 people were interviewed for a job. What is the probability that Ben is interviewed first, Charles is interviewed second, Evan is interviewed third? So probability of interviewing Ben first, since there are 8 people, that is 1 over 8. Now one person is less, that means only 7 people are left. So probability of interviewing Charles is 1 over 7. Now 2 people are less, so total number of people left is 6. So probability of interviewing Evan is 1 over 6. Multiply all these together, you will get the probability. In this example, the probability of an inspector detecting the flaw is 0.8. If the inspector fails to detects a flaw. That will be 1 minus 0.8, that means 0.2. So here we are actually using the rule of complement, that is 1 minus P of A. So we need to find the probability that at least one inspector detects the flaw. That is actually 1 minus probability none of the inspectors detect the flaw. That means probability that the first inspector fails to detect the flaw and probability of second also fails to detect the flaw and probability of third also fails to detect the flaw. So it will be 1 minus 0.2 times 0.2 times 0.2, that is 1 minus 0.2 cube, that means that is equal 0.992. In this example, license plates contain 3 letters followed by 3 digits. So A, B, C up to Z, there are 26 letters, and 0, 1, 2 up to 9, there are 10 numbers. So there are 26 ways to choose each letter A, B, C. So we need to choose 3 letters, so 26 ways, so 26 times 26 times 26. And there are 10 ways to choose the numbers, so we need to choose 3 numbers and we have 10 ways to choose that. So 3 ways to choose the letters, 3 ways to choose the digit. So multiply all these together, you will get the answer. So these are the number of different license plate we can make, like 3 letters followed by 3 digits. Next example, 10 runners run a race. So 10 runners. First place finisher will get a gold medal, and second place winner will get a silver, and third place winner will get a bronze medal. How many ways the medal can be awarded? So we need to choose 3 runners from a group of 10. Here order matters. So it is a permutation. So NPR, that is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. N is 10, so 10 P3. So 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 3 factorial. So 10 factorial divided by 7 factorial. So 10 factorial is 10 times, 9 times, 8 times. And 7 factorial is 7 times, 6 times, 5 times, 4 times, 3 times, 2 times 1. All these cancel and multiply the numbers left. Answer is 720. 5 lifeguards are available on duty and there are 3 lifeguard stations. How many ways 3 lifeguards be chosen. So we need to choose 3 from 5. So it will be 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3 factorial. Next example is a California lotto game. The balls are numbered from 1 to 45. We need to choose 6 balls. To win the jackpot, you must mark 6 numbers from 1 to 45 on the ticket, and your numbers must match the numbers on the 6 balls. The order doesn't matter here. So order doesn't matter, so it is a combination. So there are 45 numbers and we need to choose 6 from that. So number of combinations of 6 numbers chosen from 1 to 45. So that is 45, C6, so the probability of winning the lottery is 1 over and which is equal 1.2777 10 power negative 7, or there are 6 digits in 6 zeros in front of 1. If you want to find the value of 45 C6 using the calculator, enter 45, then press math, and you can see the option PRB, select that, and then select option 3 for NCR. If you want to find the NPR, that is option 2. Okay. Then enter 6. Then press enter again. You will get the value.